Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two drones on our table: the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a good camera is essential. The Holy Stone HS440 drone boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This means you can capture breathtaking shots from different perspectives. On the other hand, the ATTOP Mini Drone also has a camera, but with slightly lower resolution. However, it still allows you to take photos and videos, providing a fun first-person view experience. Long flight time is crucial for uninterrupted exploration. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. With its powerful modular battery, you can capture and explore more of your surroundings. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Mini Drone provides a flight time of around 5 to 6 minutes. Although it falls short compared to the HS440, it's still decent for short bursts of fun. Portability is another factor to consider, especially if you're always on the go. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a foldable frame, making it easy to carry around. It even comes with a carrying case for added convenience. On the other hand, the ATTOP Mini Drone is designed with a foldable arm, allowing it to fit perfectly in the controller. This makes it highly portable, especially for kids. User-friendly features can enhance your drone flying experience, especially if you're a beginner. The Holy Stone HS440 drone comes with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It also offers automatic takeoff and precise hovering for streamlined operation. Similarly, the ATTOP Mini Drone offers easy operation with one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. It even has multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice control. After comparing the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone, we can see that the Holy Stone HS440 drone comes out on top in terms of camera quality and flight time. However, the ATTOP Mini Drone holds its ground with its portability and user-friendly features. And there you have it. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and pricing. Thanks for watching, and remember to buy smart.